2016 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, backup camera, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, trip computer, brake assist, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.